Okay, so in this first example, what it says is refer to the sample data below. If one of the responses is randomly selected, what is the probability that it's a false positive? So what we're going to take a look at here, for it to be a false positive, that means that we got a positive test, but the subject did not lie. So false positive, these are the people who got a positive test, right? Oops, but did not lie. So you need to add up the total. When we add up all of the different cells, how many data points do we have? We have a total of 100. And the ones who did not lie but gave us a positive test were 18. So the probability of getting a false positive is 18 out of 100. Now, I think it wanted this answer as rounded 3 decimal places, so we divide 18 by 100, and we get 0.18. So this means that 18% of the time, it's going to say that somebody lied when they didn't. So it says, what does this probability suggest about the accuracy of the polygraph test? We would say that it's not accurate. It's a little confusing with this idea of false positive, but hopefully, again, they'll be a little bit more straightforward, but it's just those are the people who got positive tests that did not lie.